Repetition is the mother of all skill. Now you just see, you go and learn yogasana, right? You're able to do bhujangasana. Now if you stop practicing, and if you don't stop practicing, after some time, anybody will not be able to do that bhujangasana. You have learned a raga, and if you don't practice, it'll go away. Now, so therefore, first thing you should understand, any understanding, you have to keep it alive and vibrant in your thing. Repetition is the mother of all skill. One important point. I like to say, Lord Buddha said very beautifully, three things he said. Buddham, in Buddhist tradition, Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, be in association with a wise person. Whoever is your coach, your mentor, whoever association, be in association with a wise person. Buddham Sharanam, right? So that is one key. If you can't get an association with a wise person, Sangam Sharanam Gacchami. Those people who are all committed towards that truth, that Sangam, that association, be in association with this. So Buddha said, that's why to his monks, don't walk alone, let there be 5 people. Because when you say 5 people with you, they used to say Buddhist teacher, one of the students may suddenly go low, but some student is high, he may pull him up. Now this person may go down, so other people can pull him up. So therefore, Sangam Sharanam Gacchami, be an associate. And then he said, even that is also not possible. Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami, the principles which brings about transformation. What is the principles which brings about transformation? Be in association with those principles. All right, and if it happens, life will have to transform. So you should, that's why I'm saying people don't work, it is systems work. Spirituality has systems, and these are the systems there. So therefore, if you just have an expectation, oh, I did the course, Swamiji, no, afterwards it will go away, expectation will not help. You should have aspiration. Expectation is your begging, aspiration is your creating. So one method for you in the limited time, be in association, first one thing. Second, if not people, right, who are connected towards it. And then lastly, in Dhammam, the principles which brings about transformation. See, for example, in the next level program, I will be teaching you one concept, which I'll introduce right now. What is concept? I say Chin Mudra. This Chin Mudra, right? In this Chin Mudra, I tell them this, right? Can today be better than yesterday? Can today be better than yesterday? I'll not explain the whole thing. I'll say, keep this version. It means, can today be better than yesterday? Just 1% better than yesterday. Just 1%. I also say, there is a worst version in you, and there is a best version in you. So in Chinmudra, I tell them, this is the worst version. Anybody, sometimes there's a bad mood, bad atmosphere, all right? So there is a best version of you, all right? There is a worst version of you. Every time I say this, I say is the worst version, this is the best version of you. And I say simple Chin Mudra, this is a simple technique. Hey, when I do in between, hey, my worst version of me should surrender to my best version of me, then my life is going to be complete. This is Chin Mudra. And in the next level, I'll tell. So anytime, sir, if we are all humans, suddenly you get angry. When you get angry, hey, is the worst version of me coming? Yes, it's coming. Now I have to get the best version of me. And then I bring in compassion and love. And today should be 1% better than yesterday. Now this is called Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami. This is called Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami. Right? I will only tell for all of you, right? Be in association with me. Right? From this level, go to the next level. I'll be giving many techniques, many meditation techniques. When you are do there, when you bring a certain association for a point, water boils at 100 degrees. Suddenly 99 you stop, it will go away. That association in Indian culture we say Satsangatve Nisangatvam, Nisangatve Nirmohatvam. Be in association, and that is the key, sir. See, ultimately, Sant Kabir says, Dhire Dhire Remana, Dhire Sab Kuch Hoy, Mali Sichi Kauda Ritupal Hoy. Means slowly the changes will happen. So I will say Buddham, Sangam, Dhammam. I'll assure you, sir, I'm 65 years. From the age of 25, I've been giving discourses. Every time from age of 25, I've been giving discourses on the Bhagavad Gita. And even now, every day I read the Bhagavad Gita. When the best version of me comes out, I can understand it much more deeper. The more matured you are, your understanding. But I go on getting connected to inspirational books there, and that's the secret for keeping right one experience in the peak.